Okay.
Hey world, we're talking to Alan. Alan, say hi.
Hi,
Tell the world who you are.
I'm Alan Daly.
And you do?
I'm an embedded developer, Scrum Master, Project Manager, Release Guy for a local embedded hard drive company.
Cool.
But I'm on the committee that's put together the Ignite Phoenix night.
And we know each other from other things
Yes,
also.
we do.
So what do you think of Ignite?
I love it. I came to the first one and loved it so much I immediately volunteered the next day to do this one. So it's been great fun.
This is going up on the web on All Voices in just a few minutes.
Great.
So it's going to people who don't have a clue what an Ignite is. So since you're one of the committee members, would you tell them what this is all about?
Each presentation gets 5 minutes, 20 slides. The slides run for 15 seconds each on automatic rotation. No stopping of the slides. So if you're passionate about it, you can probably do that. If you're not passionate about what you're talking about, you need to work on it, because to speak for 5 minutes and get it all in without stopping is a lot of energy, and the goal is to create energy. So you got 16 presentations that are banging you every 5 minutes, and it's great thoughts, great ideas come rolling out of your brain.
Now I know this is going to be streamed on Ustream. What do you think people should be watching for? What's the hint of the day?
Just you have to keep your mind open, and you got to be ready to switch. So if you want to remember a particular talk, have a pencil or your computer so that you can come back to it, because we'll post them online later. But you might forget that cool presentation, and then you'll wonder who it was, because the next one will immediately be hitting you and filling you with good ideas again.
Posting it online, huh? Where is it going to be posted?
Blip.tv eventually.
Cool.
It is streaming Ustream right now.
All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.